Let's go. Okay, we're live. This time, starting off immediately with my mic on, with the face cam on and everything. I'll explain why. God, it's been 10 seconds. Come on, man. I'll explain everything in a second. Why it's already on. We actually still have like a little while to go until I actually will start streaming and start doing everything. So let me just share my live stream first in my appropriate channels that I always do, and then we can go ahead and see what is all going on, what the plan is for today and stuff. Okay, now I need to remind myself where the link is. Oh, share live stream. Oh, that's easy. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, close, and then I just need to do a couple of things. Where is it? You would assume by now I would be able to do this already. Oh god, type not there one right now. There we go. Boop, that's that one done. And then maybe let's just see where it is. Opening right now. Okay, I can type, I can do anything. Okay, let's close this. Good. Okay, so what is going on today? Well, we'll be doing some programming today. We're gonna try and make a game engine. This is stream 1 of the game engine. So currently there is nothing done yet, and the end goal of today is to actually at least get a window set up and have the classic triangle there, showing that we can actually render stuff to the window. How we're gonna do all of that I'll leave for the main part of the stream. Right now we're just got like a little bit of time before I would actually start, and that is because I was looking at my analytics of the last stream, and 90% of people just clicked off the video immediately, and that was because I just leave the stream open for the first 15 minutes, let everybody gather, but apparently that's really bad, because people assume nothing is happening and just leave immediately. So I switched it up, and today we're gonna try starting with facecam, with voice already. I hope I left my mic on. Oh, thank god I did. Had a small little heart attack. But yeah, we'll see what happens today, and keep going, hopefully. So let's see, I made a little bit of a talking point list, so I don't lose my train of thought and have some things to talk about in the segment, because this is the first time I'm doing this. Oh, hello Toby, thank you for the video comment. It's been a while since I uploaded the video, so I don't know how long you've been watching my channel. Like the last video was probably like 3 years ago. Just gradually getting into it today, gradually getting back into it. Last week was our first stream again, and today we're gonna be picking up. Last week was like a test stream, chill one, small one. Hoping today will be a longer stream. We'll see how long I last, and yeah, that's about it. So let's see. Oh, one thing I did notice is I was going through my analytics because I was kind of curious, and it appears just mentioning C++ in a stream title gets you a lot of views already. So I think that, in combination with actually making an actual game engine this time, we might actually see a number of, well, we might gradually see it going up the viewer count, which would be great. Should be the goal. Okay, what else do I have left? Yeah, no, I think that's all fine. I do just want to get started with it, but not yet. Give it a couple more minutes. Let people gather. I did start before I actually scheduled the stream, and yeah. So since it is the second stream, still the stream is quite bare bones. I still got all my old assets that I made like years ago, so I want to do an overhaul of those like soon, ish. I mean, the webcam thing, fine, perfectly fine. The other background I made when I was like 15, probably even sooner than that. It just be going into MS Paint at the time and creating shapes with triangles, and that's it. It's all triangles. That's the whole thing about it. But yeah, it will do for now. We'll switch over to something else anyway. In a second, we'll go over to Writer and start working on a game engine, which will be cool. Also, this time I do have music. I found some music. I went through all my files that I have left from doing years and years of YouTube. Before this, found a video file that was an hour long. Oh, it's an audio file, but splitting hairs now. Audio file was an hour long. Look through what was in there. It seems okay. I don't think there's any copyrighted music in there, so that's all great for stream. If you're wondering why I'm always looking to my left, that's where my monitor is with the chat and all the setup. And that's where I'm gonna be looking if I wanna read chat or read my notes or whatever. Oh, speaking of notes, I still need to set something. I still need to open my, like, what is it? What's it called? Is it Direct 3D? Yeah. Direct 3D. Yes, you. No, is there like not the Windows Direct 3D tutorial? Oh, let's see if we find it with this. Let's see if we can use D12, D3. This is why you're... Come prepared. Getting started with Direct 3D, that's the one I was looking for. Yada yada yada, yada yada yada. Direct 3D 12 graphics. Graphics engine, that's the one. Is it programming guide? Resources, memory management. No, working samples, there we go. Getting back into the track that I was before. Okay, let's go, working samples. Hello world, hello triangle, that's the one we need. This one. No, this will guide us through it, that's actually better. Okay, I think I'm set up now. This explains it all in pseudocode. Holy, what the hell is all of this? Oh my god, it's gonna be so awful to get through this. Well, first things first, I know we need a window. So we'll start with that. A command list. Oh, I've never worked with DirectX 12 before this, so that will be interesting. Okay. Also, got a jug of water this time so I can refill my glass. I was so thirsty last time. Okay, how are we doing? Okay, still a little bit more. I'll call it almost time. Even if it's like 5 minutes before that, I think it's fine. Which window do I want to open? I think this one, because I'll need to look at that. Yeah. So before starting this stream, right, I was like the last week I've been looking at my setup, seeing what was different, looking at my old streams, looking at my new streams, seeing what I did differently now, seeing what I still need to add to get back to the quality that we were before, which wasn't that good, honestly, but I mean, try and surpass that. I was looking back at the stream and oh my god, my accent is horrible. I hope it's better than before, but I don't think so. It's definitely that Dutch accent is in there. Oh, I was so annoyed like listening to my own voice. It was horrible. Horrible, I tell you. I guess everybody gets a little bit annoyed by listening to their own voice. I used to do it so often before because I did like YouTube videos like every week, I think. So used to it, but man, listening back to it after so long, oh, it's horrible. So yeah, enjoy suffering through my voice. At least I don't have to hear it this time. Okay, I think we'll switch. Yeah, I think it's fine. We can go over to the real content now. I'm gonna actually start building the graphics engine, game engine, everything engine basically. Okay, I don't like where you are. Hold on a second. Can't you move this like a... Oh no, that's the whole scene. So let's just move you there. No, that's not what I want there. Yeah, that will be fine. Okay. Screen. What is this? Oh, this is an IDE. This is where we're gonna build the game engine in. And I want to do it using as little libraries as possible. So that means I want to write all the code myself. There's a couple of exceptions. First of all, the first one we're gonna add is Windows, because we kind of need that. Let's see, can I just... Hold on, I need to check how I actually set it up, because I might have already set up my Git repository wrong. That's the only thing that we've got set up at the minute. It's just an empty Git repository. So let's see, did I do it correctly? So we got that, and I got a build folder in there. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, so inside this one, only thing we're gonna add, can I add files here actually? Oh, I can. Add file. We're gonna make it cmake lists. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I want to add this too. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Now to remember how to do a cmake list file. Currently, we're just not gonna worry too much about writing clean, proper code. I just want to get a working example up. I just want, by the end of the stream, again, have a window, have a triangle, that's it. And then we can worry about cleaning it up, making the proper modules, proper classes and all that stuff later on. Hello, you are existing for text purposes. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so do I remember how to make a cmake list file? I don't think so. Let's just do this. Where are you gonna pop up? Okay, so first thing we need to... Do I already put it in a subdirectory? Nah, let's just wait. Okay, no, no subdirectories. So we're good. Okay, maybe we'll add one subdirectory. We'll add a directory. We're just gonna call it homebrew, which is what I'm calling the engine. Not in there, just in here. Put yourself outside. Yes, thank you very much. That's better. And now we're gonna set it up. So we need cmake minimum version. It's the first thing we need. Minimum required. God damn it. And we're gonna work with version 3. I don't know what the latest version is. Let's see what the latest version is. I don't actually know which one I have installed. The lost promoter of coding, Jesus. Nah. I'm not as good. Okay. So version... no, let's just do 3. What's the latest version? CMake. It's gonna be like 3.4 or something, right? CMake reference. Oh, we're at 4 already. Ooh. Now I'm gonna stick with 3.25 then. That's the version I have installed. Okay. CMake setup. Next, we need to give this project a name, which I did homebrew. So we're gonna still call it homebrew. Then we need to set the C++ versions as well. I'm just gonna copy these. There we go. Don't want to get this too long. Do I already want that? Nah, it's fine. And then we just, hold on. Add executable, I think, right? Yeah. Oh, we need a main, we need a, give me just a file, main.cpp. That's the audio file we're gonna create today, I think. And now we just need to do, here's my mess. Set. God damn it, typing is hard. Sources. We're gonna set it to main.cpp. That's gonna work wonders. And then we just need to add executable. It's so much setup to the homebrew project. And it's just gonna be a Win32 application. And then we just need to add our sources as well. Sources. There we go. That's all done. And then I'll already add the target link libraries for direct, what is it? Direct 3D 12? Yeah. I already know I will go through this file later on and change it so much. Okay, and boop, that's done. You can save this. Now we need to actually build it, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work. Do we have a console in here? We do. So let's make their build. Did that work? Yes. That one can't be on Git, so we might need to add a git ignore as well. And then we're gonna do change directory to build. And then we're gonna call cmake // I think. And that should work. No sources given. For homebrew, I just gave you a source. Wait, what? Cannot find source file main.cpp. It's in there. Oh, no, I see. We need to, yeah, okay, I see where I messed up. We're gonna, can we copy this? Just copy this, and we're gonna paste it in here. Yes. Okay. Little bit of a setback here. We need to do add subdirectory. This is the boring part, believe me. I say now, I don't know how long it will take. Okay, subdirectory, we don't need sources yet. Projects can be in there, that's fine. Now we're just going to do set sources in here, add executable and target link libraries. Yeah, that should be everything. And I messed up the, okay, let's just put you in there. Yes, place, that was a mistake. Okay. And can I do sit in here? Okay. Oh, this is horrible. Okay. Copy this over in that one. Copy this. I'm doing this such a roundabout way. I swear I can program. Okay, we don't need those things, so that can all disappear. And then this one is project. Yeah. Save. Let's try it again. Please tell me it works now. Build files have been written. Perfect. Okay. So now we need to actually open a solution instead of this one. So let's just do this. Open solution. Trust that open. And did that actually open a new one? Or is it? No, it's overwritten. Perfect. Okay. So now we got our main file. Woo! We got everything set up. We can actually start now. Just in time. Yeah, excuse for it's fine. So, oh, that scared me. Yeah, it's fine. I know there's a thing called modules, but I'm not sure how they work yet, so I'm just gonna stick with normal includes for now. It's all fine, right? Okay. Include IO stream. Then we're gonna do, oh, it's a win main. What's the win main signature? I don't know. I should have just set up like a basic project already. What's the win main signature? Oh, that's it. Okay. Let's see. Copy this. Paste it in here. Of course, we're also gonna have to include windows.h. Should all work, right? Yeah, all fine. We got everything. We got this. Return 0, or is it a return 1 in Windows? No, return 0. Okay. And then cout hello. Hello YouTube. Pictures in. There we go. Let's compile it. See if this thing works now. Whew. Error running. Access denied. What the hell? Access denied. I'm running all builds. No, run this one. Jesus. I should know how to do all of this. There we go. Hello YouTube. We're actually doing things now. That's great. Okay, now to get this to actually open a window instead of just printing out to the console. I definitely do not remember how to do all of that. I used to. I had to make a lot of like these Windows applications for school. Yeah, that time has passed. Now I just got a project set up in my work. And I just work on that one single project, so there's no need to actually do anything. So let's look up how to create the window. Yeah. Win32 create window. Basic window. There should be like an example. Okay. Blah 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 blah. So we need a Windows class, then we register it, then we create the window, show the window, and that's it. Okay, so let's try that. So we're just gonna copy a bunch of code today. That's how it's gonna be. Okay, so you remove. There we go. What's this? What do I need to fill in there? Do I have the full code? What is WinProc? It's forward declaration of a function. Huh? But where do we make it? It's lying to me. God damn it. Either way, class name, sample window, that's all fine. For now. Overview. Let's actually start with the overview. Oh, there's a, yeah, okay, I'm missing a pre-declare. There we go. Oh, but they're using the 32, they're using the long one, so I don't want to do that. I just want to do a param. Okay, no, apparently this is a W param. Okay, fine. And then window class, class name. I don't want to use that, I just want to use char, please. And it does need to be a long string, please. There we go. Okay, that's our Windows class, and it can be const expert, I guess. Done. Step 1 done. Okay, step 2. What's step 2? Creating window. I know all of these. The instance is the instance we get, the class name, and then the procedure is what we'll do later on. We create the window. So, create the window handle. There we go. Let's make this a bit smaller for now. We don't need it. Okay, so create window. There's no window styles. We'll worry about that later. Class name. The title can just be this. Overlapped window is fine. This is all fine. Parent H instance, and then handle no. Okay, and then I think we just need to do a show window and we're done. Do we need to clean it up at the end? Let's see. Compile. It doesn't compile. Uh-oh. That's what I was scared of. Unresolved external symbols. Oh, it doesn't know the win proc. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, I didn't make the function yet. So let's just... there we go. Oh, we need to return an L result. Oh, shite. Windows messages. Is that the win proc? No. Okay, so return, well, just return a standard end result. Of -1, and let's see if that compiles. I don't think we'll actually have a window now, because we don't have a loop. So I think it'll just show a window for like a frame and that's it. Yeah, there we go. That doesn't do anything. So I'll implement this later, don't worry about it. Then we'll get rid of the pre-declare. But now we need to actually make the loop, which is, I think, simple. Get message. There we go. This. Copy. Paste. This is just all boilerplate point at the minute. This is still the boring stuff. Let's see if we can actually have a window now. Will succeed. I still don't have a window. Oh, I think because the WinProc just... yeah, okay, we need the Windows procedure as well. Why do we need so much boilerplate to write the window? Writing the Windows procedure. Okay, so we got callback. We don't need to implement it here, so we'll just copy this underneath. And then we'll implement it here. Oh, come on. I'm used to typing on an AZERTY keyboard, on a QWERTY keyboard at work, and now I have an AZERTY one. So annoying. I keep messing up. Okay, so let's just see what else is in here and then we'll try and understand it. No, let's just return the default one. There we go. Boom. That works. Boom. Should have a window. But I don't think I will ever... Still no window. Where is it popping up? Nope, still no window. Should be in this loop, right? No. Okay, so maybe it'll go wrong here already. Okay. Okay, handle is 0. Why is it 0? Huh? What? Why is this not working now? No. Instance handle, that's all fine. Why is it not working? I have a win main, right? H enchants, H previous. The wrong pointer, that's also already an issue. That will be better. And command show. So I'll use L strings, but I don't have that. Doesn't it need to be a long string here? No. Let's see what the create window says. Oh, we're already having to do some debugging. What's the X one? Wait. Oh, I need to do create window A. That's already something. That will show me if it's correct at least. Style, class name, window title, more style, X, Y, A with height, null, no, instance, param. Yeah, that's all fine. So let's really restart this. Handle still no. This was supposed to be the easy part. Is there an example? Return value. Oh, we can do get lost error. Oh, I remember this. I don't like programming in Windows. What? How to solve problem when you saw a question? How to think? I don't know how to think. Obviously, I can't even open a window in C++. I definitely need a third monitor, because now this chat is on the same small screen as my actual monitor that I used to look things up. Okay, get lost error. Can I just call that? What does it return? God, what does it return? Tell me. A D word. Okay. D word. Error equals. And then let's actually also print that out. Yeah. Damn. That was a good one. Okay, so it fails here. I get the last error. Okay, I got an error value. System error codes. Okay, let's see what error code it is. 1.4. It's in here. 1.4. Damn, there's a lot of error codes. 1.407. Cannot find wind class. Oh, did I forget an include? Is that it? Do I need an include? No. Wait. Do I need to pass the window class in here somewhere? Did I mess something up? Oh, I didn't register the class. Oh, I'm an idiot. Register class. Oh. Also A, by the way. Okay, message A. Smash it A. Okay, so now we should have a an actual window open. Oh my god, there it is. And I don't think you can see it on the stream, can you? Let's see. No, okay, so just believe me, there's a window. Once we actually get a window title in there. Actually, let's call the window title now, and then we can see what it's called and see if that's just call it homebrew for now. And we call that, and then I'll just add that to the stream. You go in there. Where's the window? Where did the window go? Oh, there's the window. Okay, you go there. And now we're gonna add a window capture. Homebrew. Okay. There you go. Learn to program automatic. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's so fucked though. Let's rerun it and see if it still works. Do you see the window now? Great. There we go. That will do it. It's fucked at the minute. Don't worry about it. It's because we're not redrawing it. But it works. Okay, great. Boom. Window done. That's half the problem solved. We still just need what is it? We just need to draw a triangle in it and then we're done. It's great. Okay. Let's finish this message loop. There we go. Creating basic. No, that's not it. Painting the window. Got the window proc done. Painting to the window. Ugh. Right. Let's just close the window for now. This. Place it in here. Wait, I'm missing something yet. Hold on. It's this, right? Yeah. Switch on the message. Do that in there. No, that's the wrong one. There we go. No, don't do that. No, we can just destroy window. There we go. That's it. Now let's do a break. We don't need it yet, but that will work. Yep, all works. Default message handling. Painting the window. Okay. And then just do that. So we'll also do that. In here. And then return 0 in here as well. Oh. Fix the brackets. And then let's do that. No, we don't need that. I don't like this. Okay, there we go. Actually, let's do that. That's a better switch statement in my eyes. Fill rectangle. Yeah, and that's all the painting we do for now. We'll change this all once we actually get to the direct 12 stuff, but I just want to start with a window. Okay. Window setup. If you press this button, we should now have a white window. That once we actually move it, it should still stay white. Okay, I'm moving it. You can't see it because I just have the window capture. No, I'm moving it. But yeah, that's golden. Great. Okay. And then we just color window +1. Okay, that's fine. I don't know what that does. Wait, if we got close, we should have destroyed the window. Why did that not work? Shit. I really don't like closing the window. Oh, it's post quit message. I'm an idiot. It's not destroy window. There we go. So now if I actually close it, it should stop running. If we run it in debug and I close the window, it stops. Okay, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh my god. How hard can it be to just open a window, right? Application state. Uh-huh. Yeah, all fine. All fine. Okay. That's number 1 done. We got a window. We did get a window. That's half of our problem solved. Now we just need to draw a triangle in it. And this is where it gets interesting. Because now we need to learn how to work with Direct 3D 12, which I have not worked with before. And so basically the outermost loop of Direct 12, initialize, repeat, update, render, destroy. Yes. But we need to initialize a lot of stuff. Okay, so let's see what we can do. We'll close this. I don't need this anymore. Why are you still there? Just disappear somewhere, please. There we go. Don't need all of this code. I'll still keep there just in case. So we have an initialize. Create the swap chain. Yeah, that all sounds familiar. Initialize assets. I don't know what all of that is. Update and render. And then destroy. Oh, it makes a separate class. Oh, that's smart. We can do that. I'm gonna refactor it later anyway. And it does all of that. Then how do we call it in the end? Let's just check the samples as well in the GitHub. Samples. There's nothing wrong with reading documentation and looking at samples. Believe me, it's what I do every single day. Hello world, samples. Hello triangle, please. Hello triangle. Where's the main? So makes it, and then it does min22 application.run. Yes. Now makes a window. Just window, create window. Init, show window. Okay, so we're just gonna put everything in there. Okay. So currently I just want to create a gigantic main function, although we already have this. So we might just make an init function in here as well. And then later on we'll just fix everything up because I don't want to worry about code structure at the moment. I just want to get it working with a triangle. So first thing we need to do is apparently init something, which will be the subchains. Hi Spiky Pear, welcome to the stream. Trying to make a game engine. Currently basic stages, all I have is an empty window. Which should pop up, yeah, right there. There we go. Empty window. And we're gonna try and fill it with a triangle today. So, where's the init function? On init, where the hell was that? Load assets on init, which just calls load pipeline and load assets, which is even worse, but that makes sense. So we're gonna make we're just gonna call a load pipeline and a load assets function. Okay, so it's just a void load pipeline. Oh, I think we're gonna have some global variables and everything today. Oh, that's gonna be great. And load assets as well. Boom, done. And then we're gonna call them right before we show the window. Load pipeline. And load assets, there we go. Game engine with Win32 API is brave. Oh, it's gonna be even braver than that. It's not gonna be just Win32 API. It's gonna start with that. But the goal is always to make your game engine work on as many platforms as possible. So currently we're gonna do Win32 API and Direct3D, which is DirectX 12, I think. But that's not where we're gonna stop. Eventually, might move on to Metal for iOS. Might move on to, what is it? What's the other one? Ah, whatever it is for Linux. Probably Vulkan. No, I think DirectX should have a port to Linux actually. Either way, visiting your portfolio website at the end. We'll see about that. I'm not even close to finishing the stream today. We'll see if the triangle comes fast. We can do some other stuff. Either way, triangle time. Load pipeline. There we go. I could just copy all of this code actually, and then we can worry about it later. So void load pipeline. No, not load assets. Pipeline. Yeah, and then let's do that. And this is, why is this not capitalized? Capitalize yourself. This is where we're gonna make a lot of weird things that I don't know what the hell is a word device. Oh my god. Simple app, hello triangle. Init, I did that. Load init. Following creates. It's very similar to DirectX 11. Okay. So debug layer, create the device. Oh, is it creating a device first? Wait, hold on, where's the code? It's a debug layer. Oh, it's a device. I'm blind. What's a warp device though? Holy, what the hell? I need to understand what this does, that's the issue. But I'm guessing for now, let's just see and copy the code, right? Let's just yoink this. All of that. I hope there's no member variables in here. Oh, that's a lot of code though. Oof, oof, ooh, that's a lot of errors. Am I missing an include? I might be. I must be missing includes. Not this one, this one. Oh, I should also do this. I will help with compile time. Oh, shit. That one. And then you. Right, that should work. I should already have some of the things working. Yes, good. Not sure what all of these things are. Comp pointer. What's a comp pointer? Oh, I can actually check it. Where is the debug interface? I'll just have to step through the documentation one by one. Oh no. Debug interface. I just need a pointer first. Where's the debug controller? In. ID. Oh my god. Why is it so hard to just make this already? Let's just see what this needs. It needs an IID. I have no idea what an IID is. I don't know what a comp pointer is. Oh my god, this is gonna be great. Let's find comp pointer. It needs to be included somewhere, doesn't it? Might be included in this one. That example. Helper. Oh. That's just without the namespace. Never do that to me. And where the hell is that? Let's look at what this is. This is programming on its finest, just looking up documentation. Comp pointer class, where is it? Where is it? Include client.h. Okay. Is that in this one? I never see it included though. Who includes it? Documentation. Why do you make it so hard to read it? Is it client.h? Let's find out. That's not even that. You're lying to me. Might be in this one. Let's see. No. Huh. This is step 1. There's so much code left. Holy shit. Header. What library is client.h in? Oh, it found the library. So it's just come on, documentation. Don't tell me you're lying to me. Oh, I didn't find it. Okay, so it is missing a library. Which libraries am I missing? Is there CMake? There's not. Packages config. Oh, it's just God help me. God help me. It always just shows me how to do it, but it doesn't tell me in which library it is. Oh, it is. Okay. Header, this one. Header I included. Library I've also included. Right? Yes. It's just make it capitals, because why not? But that should still work. I don't need this. I have that include. I should find this. Man. How? How? How do you do this? Come on. This is just me looking at documentation at this point. If only the documentation was a bit clearer. Would have been helpful, no? Okay. Let's find this again. Because this, yes. Tell me it's there, but tell me in what library it is. Header namespace. Yeah, I know it's in the header namespace. What library are we in? Fine, just let me wait. Just explains me the whole class. Don't tell me that. Tell me what library it's in. Inheritance, hierarchy requirements, client.h. I don't have that. Namespace. I don't have that. Oi, 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 oi. Should have just copied the the code, to be honest. Oh, where is it? No. Yes, you. Define component. It's in the hello triangle. Oh, there's a VC projects. Oh, okay, let's see. Where's the library? It's platforms debug. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's filter this one. That's right. Packages. Direct XC. I don't know about that one. Ah, maybe that's the one that's missing. It is using the sample. It is using the sample helper. It's just standard accept. And you, which is direct example again. Just this one. So it's not including anything except the standards. So it might be this one or this one. Well, let's just do all of these. Let's just throw some things to the wall and see if it works. There we go. Okay, I don't have that one. Oh, maybe that's the issue. There's no include folder. Okay. Either way, did it find it now? No, great. No, great. How can I not figure this out? This should be easy. Where does nobody explain where the fucking com pointer is? What? It's a Visual Studio only thing? Oh my god. Is it just a smart pointer? Is that the whole... Oh my god, it's just a smart pointer. I can just do this. Oh. Can't I just do a... unique pointer? I'll just do a unique pointer for now. Let's implement it to a null pointer and then do boop. Why is it still not working? What is this? UID. Okay. Can I somehow tell it to not be dope? Okay. Oh, oh, that was horrible. Okay, at least we know we can do with a unique pointer. So, that's all set up. Now we just need to figure out what to put in the get debug interface now. Oh my god. Just tell me it's a smart pointer. Get debug interface. What is it? A ref ID can be obtained using the URD of this. There we go. That should work. The second one is optional. What do you say? Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, that at least compiles now, I guess. It's just because it wants me to create unique pointers. Bad. Microsoft, why do you do this? I know you want me to program in Visual Studio, but I'm not gonna do that. So let me... Oh, why? It's nowhere in the documentation. Oh my god. Or I'm blind, that's also an option. It's a very believable option, actually. Okay, so back to the example, I guess. I'm not sure about this, though. We can probably just pass in that pointer. I'm pretty sure... What does this do? What does this macro do? It does UID of the type and then... Okay. It gets the argument. So I should just plug this in. Like that. Bam. Is there some other ones? Just maybe. What's this? Double pointer, point pointer. Oh, I could actually make that work. Hold on a second. That should work. If I do that with the address of debug controller. No, not that one. The get. Probably bracket too much now. Wait. Oh, no, too little. Uh-huh. Okay. Sure. Never mind then. We'll make it a unique pointer, right? Doesn't the device need to stay active? You lost me at this point. Either way, we're getting progress. And that's why it will take a while to make a triangle appear on the screen. Okay. So, we'll do it old style, maybe? What's the unique pointer to cat, right? Yeah. Or we can just do, let's do that. I don't care that it leaks at the moment. Let's just do that. Oops, I removed too much. Delete. Address off. You should work now. Oh. Just because they want me to use smart pointers. God, why? Okay, so we know by now that this is just a smart pointer, although there's no factory apparently, so we need to find out where this one is in. Debug layer, enable debug layer, I did. Okay, create a DJI factory 1. There we go. And the factory is in another header. Okay, that makes sense. So there we go. Should have our factory now. Apparently not. Okay, it's in a different library. Makes sense. Is it a separate value or is it just this? I don't remember. Should be fine. Compile. That's all fine. I just want to see if it actually found the library now. No, so we need to rebuild. Where's the build options? Rebuild selected projects. And that should add the library at least. Or not. So confusing. Create the factory 1. Yes. The IGT factory, yeah. Let's see where this is located. Why is it in such a weird header? What the hell is this? 1.4? Sure. We'll follow along for now. If it's not recognized now, okay, thank God. And Troy failed, where the hell is that? Just need the namespace. Directs. Apparently not. Okay, it is, but it's not in that header apparently. might be in 6. Or in compiler. Let's find it. It's crazy that the documentation is not that up to date. Where is it located? Oh, is it something I need to implement myself? Wait, hold on. Where's the source code? There we go. Is it in there? It's not in here. Not in here. Is it in here? No, that's toString. That's sample. Not in here. Not in here. Hello, triangle. I'm boring myself. Where the hell is this? Oh, it's in the helper? Wait, hold on a second. Oh, they made this. Okay, that makes sense. So let's do that as well, because that will fix a lot of the things. Now it's this now. Oh, let's just throw a standardicity exception, that's fine. That's fine, and then that should already clean up so much of the errors. I don't need this in front of it. Whew, okay. What the hell is a warp device? Does it tell me what a warp device is? I mean, I'm guessing this should do it. What is a warp device? Doesn't explain it. That just tells me it does it. Since I don't know what it is, I don't think I have one. What is a warp adapter? Let's find that. In the meantime, I'll just do that. That'll already work. What's the warp renderer? This is just a rabbit hole. Windows Advanced Restoration Platform. So do I actually always use that? No, I need a hardware based one, so I don't need the eval, so I'll just remove that. Boom. And I will use hardware accelerated, which is better, I think. Oh my god, okay. Get hardware adapter. Okay, this is gonna be a function that's somewhere else again. Get hardware adapter. They made it so needlessly complicated. Where is get hardware adapter? You. It's in direct example. Why is that so hard? Why is that such a complicated function? Okay. I might need to do this in separate files after all. No, we'll just make it at the top. We'll copy that function and we'll see what it does. Does it explain what it does? No, of course it doesn't. Oh my god. Wait, let's see. Where is the init? Oh, no, it just doesn't explain any of it. Please tell me this is the hard part. I should have just copied the basic one. Copy you. Okay, we got another function we need to make sure it works first. Apparently, pointer. I don't know if a pointer is fine. Apparently, I don't need to do get. I can just do that. Is adapter equal to no pointer adapter adapter? I didn't need to do that. Great. Okay. And then I don't actually need to copy it over. It's great. Wait. We get one. So why do we make this one? Oh, this one I'll have to delete. Delete factory 6. I think I need to delete it at least. Doesn't explain it. Horrible, horrible. Work with DirectX 12. It's gonna be fun. I should have just used OpenGL and be done with it. Oh, great. Okay. So we got this function now set up, which just gets my hardware adapter, which just gets my graphics card. Great. Get hardware adapter, which takes a pointer and a pointer to an adapter. Why do we make a different factory? Oh my god, I don't know. And it's a different factory. Huh? We create a 4 and then we create a 1. No, that should be a 1. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Oh, I'm missing something. Oh my god. In a warp, get hardware adapter factory and hardware adapter. So why do you work? Was there another get hardware adapter? A simpler one? Or is it just a no pointer for the second one? Oh, it's just false. Oh, okay. So let's just call false here. Whoops. There we go. Jesus, man. Is this function one of like a billion? I thought it sounds worse than... Okay, what is mDevice? Now I need to find out what mDevice is. Oh, yeah, okay, I need to make a device pointer, I guess. And this one should be global. Yes. So what is mDevice? Oh, ooh. Pipeline objects. Oh my god. Let's copy this over to here as well. Don't worry. These should all just be pointers. There we go. I don't know what frame count is. Where's frame count defined? It should be in this file. It's just 2. See there, it takes viewport, and I don't know about these yet. Oh my god. This is so bad code. It's incredibly bad code. Okay. Let's see what this is, because we'll need to get the right header for it. It's in index 12. Is it in the namespace? I have that header included, right? Oh. X12. Oh, and I don't have that header. Okay, great. Where is it? Oh no. This is horrible. Where is that header located? They're not included in the Windows SDK? Why do you say that then? Oh my god. I'm feeling like the triangle at the end of the stream might not happen. I need to download these headers now. I thought everything was included in the Windows SDK. God damn it. Oh, the Windows SDK is lying to me. Yes, everything is there. You don't need anything. Oh wait, no, these two are not. Yeah. Okay, let's just go to GitHub, download these files. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Whew. Do I need all of them or just these? Does it work? Why are there... Why the hell? What the... Oh, okay, so apparently the files are just these. Okay, so let's Can I not just I need to do everything. Don't let that zip. Okay. Yeah, I got the zip. And then we're gonna file explorer. They're under MIT license, so it should be fine to just grab these real quick and then DirectX. For now, let's just copy all of these. So yoink this, paste it in here. Wait, hold on, correct one. New folder, third party. And I'll need to check if I actually can use those, and then paste it in here. DirectX, perfect. Okay. Oh, and I'll need to set that up in CMake as well. Oh, great. Yeah, engine by myself. I was hoping to get a triangle on screen today. It doesn't look good. It does not look good. Oh my god. I didn't expect me needing to be downloading more header files. Okay, so let's figure this out on this screen. So I need a subdirectory in this one. Oh, you won't be able to see this, but just let me quickly duplicate that, call it third party. Oh, let's just do third party and directly like DirectX, sure, and then that should add it to here. So let's rebuild. Where's rebuild? Rebuild this. Oh, there we go. It already failed. It's not an accepted. I can't type. That's the issue. That will that will happen. Of course I mistyped it. Luckily I did it off screen, so you never know. It's definitely not any output log. DirectX. Come on, man. DirectX. That's better. Let's leave the file open and rebuild and see if it actually works this time. Need a shortcut for that. Oh, no. So, no. There's no cooking in CMake list. Okay, that makes sense. So I was hoping to already do that. So let's just copy you, paste you in here, open you, open you. I did open you, okay. And then do that and do DirectX in there as well. Add library. I didn't expect to be doing all of this. Oh, great. Can't type more. Okay, so I add a library DirectX now. It's completely empty at the moment, but that should just work. And then in here we should just, if we rebuild this again, hopefully works. Nope. There's no sources given. Of course there's no sources given. So let's do a set sources. And I think it's just gonna be a glob of H files, but I'll need to check in a minute. Sources. I don't remember how to do a glob in a CMake file though. CMake glob sources. file glob sources, everything in here in the directory. So everything .h, please. Let's see if that works. Build selected projects. I need to rebuild selected projects. Oh, and I need to do that and save the file. Still breaks. Oh, what is add library? What's the call? Do I need to put static in there? Type static. There we go. I think it would be nice if you can actually see what I'm looking at on my second screen, right? At some point I'll be able to do that. That's still not working. Can't determine linker language. Add library. Let's see, documentation. Is it like a... I know there's like a quick start. CMake tutorial, there we go. Building a library. Target sources, yes. Add subdirectory, yes, yes. Add library. Name, type, sources. DirectX static sources, yes. Does there need to be a... Ah, we could technically just do an include directory, right? Yes. CMake header only library. Interface. And then sources. And then I don't need to do that. And then just do a target include directories. This, okay. And then we have a target link libraries in this one, right? Yes, and then let's see if that works now. It doesn't. Can't spy and include directories for target project which is not built by this. Oh my god, almost. It's almost there. We're making projects that just need to fix my mistake. Again, it's not project, it's DirectX. Save. Oh, I really need to get better at this. It built. Great. Okay. And now we need to include DirectX. Dot. Boom. Oh, no. Apparently not. Wait, what's the include directory? Huh. That's not in the include directories. I need to make a public. Where's DirectX library? It's interface, but I need to link publicly with that. Okay, no, apparently not. It needs to be interface. Okay. I'm linking with it, right? Oh, I'm not linking with it. Oops. DirectX. There we go. Dot lib. Or probably just even this and then. Okay, that works. Still didn't find DirectX. Why not? Oh. Okay. That makes sense. And then we'll just add third party. Okay, did I? No, I didn't close it yet. Let's just do that. And then advanced build. We need to set this up properly though. There we go. Search bot is completed now. We had our first third party, but it's completely wrong at the moment. Oh, great. We can continue now. We got all of these objects. Okay, so we can do mDevice. It should be found now. Frame count. Okay, we need to add frame count as an actual variable. So let's do context per frame count. Equals 2. I think it was a uint. Right. That works, yeah. Width and height of the swap chain. I think that's width and the height of the window. So we can probably find out where that is. Reset im width and im height. It's not even in here. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I see. Main. Hello. Okay, so that should just be width and height is user default at the moment. There we go. Output window is the handle. Do we have the handle here? Probably not. So, oh, this is horrible. This one, it's you, right? So let's pass you along. Window, and then this in you, and then boop. Oh, we can pass it by constref probably. Or at least by ref, that would be better. By ref. And then we got a window. Boom. Okay. So, right now, what did we set up? We set up whatever this all is to find the hardware adapter, which we can create a device with. Then we made a command queue, which I don't know how to do. We have the swap chain, and now we're gonna actually make the swap chain. Oh yeah, that one is a description. There we go. And then we're gonna fill in the command queue. As swap chain, so we're gonna just ignore that, pass that in there, remove this, and then do that. Apparently that doesn't work. Oh, because it's a normal swap chain. Okay. Let's do that then. Let's just keep it simple. We can get to the latest stages later on. Okay. Throw if failed. Swap chain. No, we don't need that. I don't know what the as function does. That's a bit of a weird one. Handle, we can put handle in here as well. I'll make Windows association, swap chain, get current buffer index. Why does that not work? Cannot. Okay. Where the hell is get current back buffer index? We're making some good progress now. You get current back buffer index. Should just be included in one of the... Why don't I find that? Oh, it's probably because it's the wrong swap chain, isn't it? And if I make it a 4, it will work again. Or whatever it was. Was it 4? Yes. But then create swap chain doesn't work. Ugh. Horrible. Oh my god. Oh, this is so much work. Just to set up one triangle. Swap chain. Why does it need to be a different one though? Yeah, back to the documentation. I'm gonna have to do so much. Create swap chain. Yes. I don't get why we create a swap chain and then we need a different one. So let's check what this back buffer index does. But apparently we need the other one, so sure. We'll make a swap chain and then swap it. Fine. I don't know why, but we can do this. Create a swap chain, and then we need to do this. For some weird reason. And there's no as function. What? It just... Fine, normal swap chain. There we go. But why is the as function not working? Uh-huh. Oh. What? That's a comp pointer thing? Oh my god. Can we just do swap chain equals swap chain? Why can't we cast between those two? Why is it so difficult to do this? Let's see what it says on a swap chain 4. How do we initialize the swap chain 4? Please tell me. Ugh. Why? I don't... What? This makes no sense. Yeah, I need that, but I can't do just this. For some reason, create swap chain. Let's just look that up and see if there's a variant for... Hold on a minute. Do I now have comp pointers? I'm wondering. Probably not. But then why does this make it so difficult? You should never be able to do it with comp pointers. You don't need them. So why the hell can't I just make a swap chain? Do I need the 4 for something else? Also, let's just do that. It's just a swap chain. How do we do that? I don't get it. I really don't. I mean, at some point we'll need to give up on the triangle today. At some point we will have to. I mean, technically I could just draw. Okay, I have a way out. I thought of a way out, so that's fine. I will get your triangle on your screen. But it might not be a direct 3D triangle. Well, will not be a DirectX 3D triangle. A DirectX 12 triangle. Why is this so difficult? What is this setup? Why does it need, why is there several types of the same one? Why can't I just make a create swap chain with the same one? What API is this? It's insanely stupid, the API. Oh my god. So I can't do that. Okay, we'll do something that might backfire later on if we just get rid of that. Then we don't need the swap chain pointer here. We can just directly do it in there. And then let's just frame index. Or just made it here, so let's just put it at 0. I'm pretty sure that's what it's supposed to do. And then at least it should compile now. Although I do need to make the load assets function. So let's just make the empty load assets function. Void that. We're already at 200 lines of code and we have not done anything. Please compile. It doesn't. Okay, where is it giving errors? Throw it failed. Why is... Does it need to return something? Oops, no, I just missed the bracket here. Okay. It took about an hour, I think, but we got it to work now. I'm curious, I possibly, if I press run now, everything will crash. So let's debug. Yeah, it threw an exception. I can't delete factory, because factory is probably a null pointer at this point. What does factory 6 even do? What's the stack? What's the variable? What's the message? Just exception encountered? Okay, fine. Let's just... Do I need to move it to some scope? No. Alright, fine. Done. Deleted. I don't care about memory leaks. Memory leaks, what is that? No, we will need to worry about memory leaks. It's still complaining. Where now? Throw a fail in load pipeline. Okay, great. Thanks for the disassembly. I don't need the disassembly. Oh no, create swap change failed now. But why? Okay, can we see why? No, we need to do get last error, do we? Oh god. I was expecting this to be a little bit easier. I mean, I worked with DirectX 11 before, and I was just setting up like a couple of things and it's done, but now we need to do so much more. We need to worry about pointers for some reason, which we did need to do in DirectX 11, but it wasn't this complicated. I don't know what all the version stuff is about, because they have versions of their classes now, and you can cast up or something, but not down. It's weird. It's very, very weird. So yeah, let's see. What fails? The swap chain, but that's in here, so we need to where's the throw it failed. It failed HR. Can we just out? Oops. The H result, please. And then backslash n. There we go. Also need like one more thing here. Okay, and then let's rerun. And now it should give us the error at least. Or the error code or whatever. Yeah, console. How do we get the H result for swap chain? So create swap chain, where is that? You. Return value H result. Where's the error codes? Okay, I got them. And they're in hex. Okay, great. So need to view as hex. Can we? Hex, there we go. Okay, so let's find 8007. That's not even an error code on this thing. Great. Let's hit swap chain. Fail with up. What's that H result? Just tell me. It doesn't even tell me what the error code is? How awful is that? Oh, there's another call I should use for create swap chain anyway. Oh, the Windows documentation is out of date. How surprising. Create swap chain for window. There we go. It doesn't find it, which is great. So let's also include the correct file, which is GGI2. Hello, you should find it now. Or is it not on that factory? It's not on that factory, is it? Because I made a 1, and it's probably on 4. Ugh. I can stop debugging now. Will not help anyway. This is not useful. And then it should be, what is it, null pointer in here. And another null pointer. I think. Apparently not. So let's see. Device. Window handle. Oh, I'm missing the window handle. Window, boop, that's done. Then the swap chain description, there needs to be a 1, which apparently doesn't have all of that, probably because it's in the window, so that's great. And then it's full screen description, I don't care. Restricted output, I don't care. Isn't that correct? And then a swap chain, but it needs to be a swap chain. Oh. Now, which one does it need to be? Let's guess 4. No, 2. Maybe. No. That's a 1. Okay. See, this is why I don't like all of these different API calls. They request a different swap chain, but then don't do anything with it. And maybe now we can actually get swap chain dot get current. Nope, apparently not. Wait, was that the call? I don't remember. Oh, I was right. Get current back buffer. Oh, no, apparently not. Okay, let's put it back to 0. Alright, let's see what this does now. Oh. DirectX here, horrible. Okay, debug. It failed yet again. It threw an error. Okay, let's see what the error is. It doesn't show me. Okay. That's a different error this time. See if we can get that one in the DirectX error codes. It's A87. Oh, wait, that's actually an error code that might be in there. A001. Invalid call. Great. Failure to create a swap chain. Invalid call. Is there something from the debug layer? PDB. Not really. At what point is it just easier to just copy the thing? No, we're gonna part 2. I'll learn a lot more if I actually do, but I need to figure out why the swap chain create fails. Might be something with the shortcuts I took. Swap intersection, find it. Might be the command queue that's wrong. To make a factory and get the hardware adapter, which is all fine. How is there compiler optimizations? There shouldn't be any compiler. Wait, why is this DirectX 11? Am I looking at DirectX 11? No, right? 12. Then why is it feature level 11? Can we do feature level 12? Why is that set up as 11? Huh? Should have just looked, but the hello world example also be sample. Yeah, their sample code is out of date. Should look at this. Oh, it still sets it on 11. Okay, well, never mind then. Let's keep it at 11. Let's look this over. Let's look this over. So, first thing. If defined debug layer, we put the debug controller, we put everything in there, we enable the debug layer. And we should enable this, apparently, which I didn't do before. And then copy this in there. Now I'm actually checking the GitHub because I don't believe any of this. Yeah, this code sample in typical Microsoft fashion is out of date. So boom, DirectX flags, we can plop those in there as well. Where's the factory Oh, I make a 1? No, let's make a factory 2 and throw in the flags in there as well. And that will add our debug layer. I'm not using a warp device, so I can do that. Factory hardware, yeah, draw a field, get create device 12. Hardware adapter, this, that makes no sense. Queue description, yes. And then the command queue, draw a failed, all makes sense. Swap chain description. Oh, there is a width and a height. Oops, maybe that's the issue. I need to do that. And then that's, no, that one, user default, user default. I'm not sure if that's correct actually. Format is also still in there apparently. Just that one. Then usage target output, flip, count 1. So the width and the height is still wrong. So I'm curious if we can set up the window width and height here and see if that works. Where's the window? This class is getting messy. It should be somewhere here, right? Wait, what? Where did the window go? I know it's in here somewhere. Oh, here it is. I'm looking over it. Size and position. Okay, maybe that will work. Hello everybody. Trying to put a triangle on the screen. Never thought it was gonna be this hard, but yeah. So the width and the height is just X and Y. Can be a combination of input plus control styles. No, that's that. Width and height, we can just fill it in. Let's just do 500 for a width and a height of like 200. No, let's pick a tree on 250. There we go. And then we're gonna copy those values over here. Yes, I'm doing this in a really bad way. Width of 500, height of 250. There we go. Swap chain, check. Whew. Let's see if it compiles now. Let's see if it runs now. So you should get in there, and then this should not fail anymore. Hey, I passed it, so let's continue and hope it doesn't crash. Oh, we got a window back. Can you see the window this time? Yeah, we got our window. This is our window. Great. It has a swap chain now, and I think, yeah, there's some memory leaks, don't worry about that. No, I'm not using PyCharm because I'm programming in C++, so no Python at all. It's I'm making it hard for myself apparently. So yeah, instead of using PyCharm, I have to create my own window. Have to draw everything myself. There's no helper functions or anything, so it's a little bit trickier than doing it in PyCharm, I would say. And right now, I just created a pipeline. I barely know what it does, but now we need to create some assets, and this is the stuff I'm worried about. Because that means I'll need to set up a shader and triangle vertices as well. Oh, they put that in there as well. Oh, and the buffer and everything. Oh my god. Oof, okay. I think for the first stream I'm gonna chicken out. We can ignore all of this. This compiles now, so we'll ignore all of this. We'll just little bit. Where is it? It's just this, And this, okay. And then we have a fill rectangle, okay, and then we're gonna do, oops. There should be like a fill triangle. Triangle, is there a triangle shape? Or do I have to draw my own shape in DirectX 12? In Direct 3D? Let's check. Win32, draw triangle. I'm drawing a triangle. Gonna have to draw a polygon. Oh, even this is gonna be like crazily stupid. I thought there was just a draw triangle function. Why is there not just a draw triangle function? Oh my god. Let's just do a drop polygon. Where's this function? Draw rectangle, fill rectangle, frame rectangle, 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 rectangle. Only rectangles? Oh my god. I can't even chicken out? Okay, we're gonna draw a smaller rectangle. And can it have a width and a size? Oh, okay. We can add a rectangle in here. Can we fill it in? What does it need? Left, top, right, bottom. Okay, so left to like 50. Top. Let's do like 100. Right. $50. Bottom 50. Let's see if that works. And rectangle. And the brush is H brush of color window color underscore. Let's just do like blue. Is there a color? I don't know. Oh my god. Let's just yoink a color here. Let's do highlight. Let's use that. Let's use the highlight color and see if that does anything. Oh, please tell me it compiles. Okay, this is me chickening out at this point because I didn't think it would take this long. But at least let's hope and get a... Oh, well, there's not even a... Where's our... How do we make a rectangle structure? What does it mean? We're getting this. Rectangle, we are gonna get on the screen. It shouldn't be that hard. Specify the x-coordinate of the upper left. Specify the y-coordinate of the upper left. Oh, okay, I got it. So 50-50, and then let's do like... 400... 150. And compile. Okay, we should get on the... We should get... Where is it? Wait, what? Where's my... Oh, there it is. Wait, hold on. Rectangle. We got a rectangle now. Oh. This is gonna turn into a game at some point. Oh my god, that was so hard. I might just set up everything related to the swap chain. Do some reading up, because god damn, it's hard. Not sure if I have time, otherwise we'll just continue this torture next week. But we got something drawing on the screen now. That's great. Oh, all that work, all that code, just for a rectangle. We're not even done yet. We're not even getting to the hard part. We need to do load assets, which means we're gonna have to load shaders. We need to set up the swap chain. I need to look at all of these code, because I don't know what any of it does yet. Oh my god, this is gonna be horrible. Yeah, this is not great either. Oh, there's so much room for improvement, but it's gonna have to be for another time. I'm tired of looking at this screen, looking at this code without making much progress. I think it will be faster if I just do it on my own, off stream. Then hopefully next time we have well, just a rectangle on the screen. I hope you guys already enjoyed me suffering through some code. If you did, I'll be here next week again, and I hope to see you there. That's about it. Don't have anything else to say other than this was pure torture, and I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. At least I didn't decide to do it in assembly. That was an option as well. Yeah, goddamn. I will probably suffer through this on stream, but I'll read up on it so I actually know what to do. That would be so helpful. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the plan. I'll do some off-stream studying and then show you the results. And then we can blast through this, and next time we can get like a triangle on the screen in like half an hour and start working on some other things. Oh, that would be nice. That would be nice indeed. But yeah, for now, this is all we have. Just the sad little rectangle on the screen. At least I got it to turn a different color. That was a pure accident. Also, we should probably set the window title to the window text to the correct thing. But oh well. Oh well, it's all fine. This is where I'm gonna leave it off. So I'm gonna find the end stream button. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye.